Hello class, welcome to the Applied Science Chemistry lecture. We are already start with the cement. What is a cement? A material which is capable of binding aggregates. It's called as a cement which is capable of binding bricks. It's called as cement which is having a joining property. But when we are manufacture the cement, lot of energy is required. That is very much energy consuming. So we are invented a new type of cement that is called as a biocement. What is a biocement? That we are going to learn in this topic. Here we will see that crack formation is a typical phenomena which is related to durability. When we are observing any construction site which is made up of concrete or the cement, we will observe that there are cracks will take place due to the soundness of the cement, means due to the shrinkage and the expansion of cement material, and this cracks is going to lead to the formation of leakage formation will be take place, causing the deterioration of concrete matrix or the corrosion of embedded steel reinforcement. Due to that cracks, the damage of structure will take place. In recent year, we have developed bacteria-based self-healing concrete in order to extend the service life of construction. We are going to add two component healing agents is added to the concrete mixture. That agents are bacteria and organic mineral compound. What is a bioconcrete? It is a special type of concrete invented by the microbiological researcher. It is also called as a bacterial concrete or the self-healing concrete. It's specially made to increase the lifespan or the durability of the concrete structure by the self-healing action of the concrete. Generally, what happens when there is a buildings and we will observe there is a cracks? What we are going to do? We are applying the concrete or we are applying the paste, cement paste from the outside, but that is not going to heal, that is not going to clear that cracks completely. So here we are taking the help of bacteria which is growing inside that cracks, and it will form a gel like material which is get self hardening later on. What is the biocement? It is a calcium carbonate deposit formed by the soil based bacteria. Here, did you observe? This is the initial step. Here, it is a big crack. Did you observe that the big cracks? Yes. In that, we put a biocement. After 7 days, the length or the diameter of this crack is decreases. Similarly, as the time goes on, we will observe that the cracks is vanishes. Here, the cracks is completely get filled by the biocement, because biocement is an active material which is itself gel formation and hardening will take place. So after the 40 days, we will observe that crack is completely filled. At 200 days also, after almost 1 year, the cracks is filled by that bacteria. It is remain as it is. It increases the strength and compressive strength of a wide range of soils, from large grain sands to fine grain silts. Biocement fills in the empty space between the soil particles, which means the volume of the treated soil does not increase. But because of that, biocement can be used around an existing infrastructure without causing damage. Biocement soil is a self-healing. If the bands between the soil particles are broken, the bacteria in the soil will repair themselves. Depending on the application, biocement can be customized to provide a range of soil strength and permeability. Ordinary cement, normal cement, Portland cement is a energy consuming construction material. So it is going to damage the environment. But due to the high viscosity of cement paste, it cannot be used for the grouting. While dry biocement can be dissolved and be used as a solution of low viscosity and can be sprayed over and injected or percolated through the porous soil for its strengthening. It is a self-healing material used to enhance durability of a building structure and conservation of cultural heritage. It is a calcium carbonate deposit formed by the soil-based bacteria. Biocement can set sand into a solid rock-type material without the need to remove the sand from the location. These bacteria used in creating biocement are naturally occurring in almost all soils and limestone, making up used in a earth crust. It is a very natural part of the environment. When we are produce the biocement, we are shipped in form of a dry powder to be mixed in a water, and that resulting nutrient rich solution is fed to the native soil bacteria, which grows in proportion to the amount of nutrient and cementing the soil together. The cemented soil particles form a hardened, less permeable material similar to limestone, which can be used for the soil cementation and remedies. Biocement fills in the empty space between the soil particles, which means the volume of the treated soil does not increase, and because of that we are using the biocement for the infrastructure without causing a damage. It is a self healing, therefore we are using for the existing construction. The strengthening is applicable to enhance the stability of slopes, dams for road construction, prevention of soil erosion, prevention of cracks in the concrete, weather building stone surfaces and coating the surfaces with a calcite for protection of concrete from corrosion. Here we can say the old age construction we can use. It is a completely damaged portion. In that we are using a biocement to repair it. It is basically shipped all the produce in form of or supply in form of a dry powder, and we are using it is mixed with the water, and that solution we are going to fill where the cracks are there. Thank you class. Thank you for your attention.